Principal office lang po.
यहाँ भी तो था मेरा वो जो भाई का बेटी
थैंक यू हो गया
क्लास 1 है ये क्लास 2 हम लोग का स्मार्ट क्लास भी चलता है डिपार्टमेंट में स्मार्ट क्लास क्लास 1
उससे भी एक जी सेक्शन प्राइमरी से का प्राइमरी था जी प्राइमरी बहुत अच्छा ये हम लोग वोमेन पुलिस में वो भी गाना में एक बार विजिट किया था मेरा कुछ था वहाँ
हम लोग अटेंडेंस कैसे कराते हैं प्रेजेंट एब्सेंट तो मालूम नहीं होगा प्रेजेंट अटेंडेंस जो जब अटेंडेंस लेते हैं ना तो बच्चा लोग का फोटो पूरा यहाँ में एब्सेंट प्रेजेंट को मालूम नहीं होता है तो घर में कौन है घर में ये लोग है मतलब एब्सेंट स्कूल में कौन है स्कूल में ये लोग है प्रेजेंट मतलब है और स्कूल में इतना है तो दे आर प्रेजेंट ओके अटेंडेंस
जो बच्चा देखभाल करने वाला नहीं है जिनका उनका हम लोगों का मिल जाता है उनको नहीं मिल जाता बच्चा को नहीं है ना और इनको नेक्स्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना सेफ्टी देखना केजी चलो नीचे में बैठने का ज़्यादा छोटा है ना यूकेजी से तो क्लास 1
यूकेजी के बाद क्लास 1
नर्सरी से लोग का टिफिन दे दिया टिफिन दे दिया
तो डाइनिंग हॉल टाइप का ना
आधा फर्नीचर ऊपर में Itu smart classroom kan? फाउंडेशन स्कूल के लिए रखने के लिए सोचा फिलहाल तो बड़ा का तो स्कूल है ना बाकी इसमें
So please stand up and give a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest and the guest of honor.
अतिथि को बहुत ही सम्मान माना गया है। हमारे अतिथि जी हमारे समक्ष उपस्थित हो रहे हैं, तो मैं सभी दर्शकों से निवेदन है कि कृपा करके उनके सम्मान में अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएंगे और तालियों के साथ उनका स्वागत करेंगे।
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. With this inspiring thought, we extend a very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, esteemed parents, dedicated teachers and my dear students. Today is a very special day for us as we come together to celebrate the achievements, talents and hard work of our students throughout the year. Today's program is filled with vibrant performances and unforgettable moments, which we are sure will have you all with smiles and cherished memories. And before we proceed further, let me briefly take you through today's agenda. We shall begin the program with a melodious welcome song, followed by delighting ceremony. This will be followed by the felicitation of our honorable chief guest and the guest of honor. Thereafter, we will have the welcome address by our respected principal ma'am. Next, we will proceed with the prize distribution ceremony to honor our meritorious students. The cultural segment will then begin with a traditional group dance by our primary girls, followed by a team dance presented by our pre-primary girls. Next, our little ones from the pre-primary section will present quotations recitations. We will then move on to the prize distribution ceremony for the literary competition. Up next, enjoy a cheerful dance by our pre-primary students, followed by an energetic group dance by our primary boys. Thereafter, we will have the speech by our esteemed guest of honor. The program will continue with a beautiful Bihu dance by our primary students, followed by an exciting hula hoop performance by our primary girls. Pleasure, I invite our students to take the stage and present a welcome song.
स्वागतम
दोस्तों, कहते हैं कि किसी भी शुभ कार्य से पहले भगवान का नाम लेना और दिया प्रज्वलित करना अनिवार्य है। तो मैं मुख्य अतिथि और विशिष्ट अतिथि से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे आगे आए और दिया प्रज्वलित करके इस कार्यक्रम की शुभ आरंभ करें।
से सत्य की ओर ले चल, अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले चल। मैं अतिथियों से पुनः निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि वे मंच पर ही रहे।
Because of their ability to empower others. With this thought in mind, we now invite our respected principal ma'am to kindly take the stage and present the welcome speech.
A very warm good morning and happy new year to everyone present here. I, on behalf of Tirapalli School, extend my heartiest welcome to our esteemed guest, Srimati Chakat Abu Madam Ji, Honorable MLA Khonsa West, come advisor to Honorable Minister Transport and DOTCL. Madam, we are truly honored by your gracious presence, which adds great value and significance to our today's annual day program. And I also extend my heartiest welcome to our guest of honor, Srimati K.C. Lowangja Madam Ji, DDEC Tirap District. Madam, your presence is a source of inspiration to all of us, and we are really delighted to have you among us. Last but not the least, I am delighted to welcome all our supporting parents, guardians, other dignitaries, teachers, staff, and of course our wonderful students who make us proud every day. Now let me take an opportunity to give a brief introduction of Tirapalli School. Tirapalli School was established in the year 2010 and it is duly recognized and registered school. This school is basically a foundation school with pre-primary and primary section. In pre-primary section we have classes from playgroup to senior KG, and in primary sections we have classes from class 1 to 5. And at present we have 270 students with 13 teaching staff and 6 supporting staff. And I will not be wrong if I say that this school acts as a feeder school to Sharda Mission School, RK Mission, JNV and VKV School, because every year many students get selected in those schools from our school. And madams, we have some underprivileged students also in our school, to whom we provide free education depending on the economic condition of the parents. Like sometimes we provide free books, then sometimes we provide free uniforms, और कभी-कभी तो ऐसा होता है कि whole सेशन का जो फीस है, एनुअल फीस हम लोग माफ़ कर देते हैं उनको, जो डिपेंड्स ऑन पेरेंट्स का जो कंडीशन है उसको देख के हम लोग ऐसा फ्री एजुकेशन भी देते हैं किसी पेरेंट्स को. And Tirapalli School is not just a place of learning, it is a nurturing environment where curiosity is encouraged and every child is heard and taught with love and care and in a joyful manner. Here we not only impart education but also prepare young minds to be disciplined, honest and responsible members of society. Because we believe that education is not only about academic excellence, but it is shaping character, instill values and compassionate individuals. Apart from teaching and learning process, we conduct awareness program also in our school, such as importance of deworming and importance of immunization, जो कि हम लोग vaccination भी बोलते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों का जो vaccination होता है उनके बारे में भी बताते हैं पेरेंट्स को. Then anemia मुक्त भारत etc. in collaboration with health department Khonsam. And we also conduct mock exercise on earthquake and fire safety in collaboration with district disaster management department. And since this is a foundation school, we are dealing with small children. So we conduct awareness program on protection of children from sexual offense, which we all know by the name POCSO Act. No? So now let me come to today's program. We had conducted games and sports military competition in our school from 12th to 18th December. And to encourage healthy competition and to build team spirit, 4 houses were formed. Yellow house, green house, blue house and red house. So competition was done among these houses. So today we'll be distributing prizes to all the winners. So we all are here to celebrate the collective achievement, the hard work and the vibrant spirits of our school students. So once again welcome you all and Jai Hind, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome speech. We now come to the most awaited moment of today's program. Hard work, dedication, and talent deserve appreciation. Let us now honor our meritorious students for their outstanding achievements in the academic session 2024-25. With great respect, we request our guest of honor, DDSC Tirap, Srimati K.C. Lobaksha ji, to kindly come on the stage to felicitate our students by handing over the prizes. Let us begin with class 2 students who have passed class 1. The first rank goes to Master Moibak Tesia. The second rank goes to Master Amin Game. Third rank goes to Master Hilan Mutum and Master Juki Jugamida. This rank is shared by 2 students. Next, we have the achievers of class 3 who have successfully completed class 2.
Nice, nice.
Next, we have the achievers of class 3 who have successfully completed class 2. The first rank goes to Master Wangtung Kamwa. The second rank goes to Master Wanglet Lowa. He is presently studying at RK Mission School. So we request his parents to come forward and accept the prize on his behalf.
Please look at here.
The third rank goes to Master Dyabhang Gosa. Now let us move on to 4 who have passed the class 3. The first rank goes to Master Dhimanjoti Gohai.
Look at here, look at here.
The second rank goes to Master Sumlang Sosia. The third rank goes to Master Govang Gosa. Finally, we have the achievers of class 5 who have passed class 4. The first rank goes to Master Gangye Bangyang. The second rank goes to Master Kamang Sumyan. He is also currently studying at BKB school. So we request his parents or guardian to come over and accept the prize on his behalf. Kamang Sumyan.
Look at here, look at here.
The third rank goes to Master Sumlang Nokbi. Thank you very much, ma'am, for graciously presenting the prizes. We request you to kindly take your seat. And congratulations to all our meritorious students. Your dedication and hard work have truly paid off. We wish you continued success in the years ahead. Let us now proceed to the next item on our program. As the saying goes, a people without the knowledge of their past history, origin and culture are like a tree without roots. And since none of us want to be rootless today, we now invite our students to show us our rich culture through a traditional group dance.
बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है। हा 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 हा। सब ट्री कट करके यहां पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
I am a tree, I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicines. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment. I am a tree, I keep your environment clean. Please take care of us, we will take care of you.
Now, let us welcome our little stars from pre-primary section on stage to share some beautiful quotations of Swami Vivekananda.
Good morning to all. My name is Nocha Wangno. Today I am going to share Swami Vivekananda ji message to all of you. Swami ji said, "Mine is everything. What you think you became." Thank you. My name is Ranjan Mohan. Swami ji said, "Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy." Thank you. My name is Deepak Pratya. Swami ji said, "All the power is within you. You can do anything and everything." Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nokamono. Swamiji said, "Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nanem Kinya. Swamiji said, "Believe in yourself and the goal will be at your feet." Thank you.
Thank you, dear students, for sharing such meaningful and inspiring quotations with us. Now, we move on to the prize distribution ceremony for the literary competitions to honor our students for their creativity and talent. May I respectfully request our honorable chief guest, MLA 56 Khonsa West, Srimati Chandana Boji, to grace the stage to present the trophies to our deserving students.
Hello.
First, we announce the results of the quiz competition. The first prize goes to Yellow House. Yellow House. The second prize goes to Green House. And the third prize goes to Blue House. The third prize goes to Blue House. Next, we have the extempore speech competition. The first prize goes to Master Tomhang Sumnyan.
Yeah, okay. Hello. Hello,
The second prize goes to Master Sumlang Nokbi. The third prize goes to Master Dima Jyoti Gohai. And the consolation prizes are awarded to the following students: Master Gange Bamya, Master Govang Gosak, and Miss Ransan Liana Hondi. Moving on to the poem recitation competition, the first prize goes to Master Yumi Juja. First prize goes to Master Yumi Juja. The second prize goes to Miss Kamrim Tangjang. And the third prize goes to Miss Jenny Tangjang. And the following students are awarded consolation prizes: Master Amin Gamek, Master Helan Mutu, and Miss Nilin Rutum. Now, let us announce the results of the drawing competition. From senior category, the first prize goes to Master Wangtin Lowa. The second prize goes to Miss Kipa Jarnia. And the third prize goes to Master Napong Ranyu. Now, from junior category, the first prize goes to Miss Chusen Tekwa. Chusen is absent, so So please, class teacher, you may collect the prize on her behalf. The second prize goes to Miss Senmi Wangpo. The third prize goes to Miss Yamna Homto. We sincerely thank you, ma'am, for presenting the trophies. We request you to kindly be seated. And congratulations to all the winners. You did a wonderful job.
साधन है। इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स का प्राइज कार्यक्रम के अंत में देंगे, क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी बच्चे हैं और हमारे मुख्य अतिथि जी अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के हमारे यहाँ आए हैं। उड़ने दो परिंदों को आबी शौक हवा में, उड़ने दो परिंदों को आबी शौक हवा में, फिर लौट के बचपन के ज़माने नहीं आते। तो आइए चलिए लड़खड़ाते हुए कदम, मचलता हुआ मन और हमारे प्यारे से मुस्कान के साथ हम मंच पर स्वागत करते हैं नन्हे बच्चों का।
Now, all set to bring devotion and fun together. Let's welcome them for a soulful group dance on Namo Namo.
किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जान, क्या बुरा है क्या भला।
may I request our esteemed guest of honor, DDSC Madam, to kindly come to the stage and bless our little ones with your valuable and inspiring words.
Most honorable chief guest, Mrs. Kakada Boji, Principal Ma'am, all the learned teachers, dear parents, my most beloved students, and of course, our most important person, Mr. Gawang sir. Wish you all a very good morning and also a happy new year, because this is the beginning of 2026. So let us wish each other every possible happiness and good health. Indeed, I am really surprised and very happy that such small kids, they perform so wonderfully, and I appreciate the hard work, the efforts put in by our principal men and our teachers. I know how hard you all have worked, and indeed this is a very good thing that our principal man, and at the same time she is also the owner of the school, along with the help and cooperation of our teachers. They are doing a wonderful work. Indeed, this school, this is the only school in Tirap district which is known for its quality and the hard work put in by everyone. I appreciate also the parents and the guardians for cooperating with the staff, because we all know that it is very difficult to manage such small kids, and that to so many of them. 270. It's not a small number. Very good. I appreciate you all. And we wish that there could be more of such schools in Tirap district, so that in future the education scenario of Tirap would be much better than what it is now. Being the DDSC of the district, I have been observing the scenario, the quality of education in our district. Especially since I tried to travel and visit all the schools in the district, I experienced, I see with my own eyes the quality of education, the condition of the schools, the government schools. They are so poor. It's really very painful to see such condition. There is a lack of awareness. Now traveling to the far interior places, I feel that we still belong to the very backward beginning of our education. Such poor infrastructure, such what to say? The lack of awareness, I think our teachers, our parents, they also need to learn a lot to educate our children better. So compared to those government schools in the interior places, I feel that this is just like, it is so much better. So much better that we feel as if it is we are in the city, in a big town. Such schools are much advanced. We are helpless. It is very good that we cannot blame the government schools. We cannot blame our parents when they send their children to the private schools. There is always a comparison between the government schools and the private schools. Of course, I don't mean to discourage the parents that they should not send their children to the government schools. I only mean to encourage that our government schools should improve and work hard and try to be like these schools. Really, not only academic wise, but in other co-curricular activities are also, such schools are much more advanced. The children who are studying and the parents who are able to afford to send their children to such schools, they are really very lucky. Children are lucky to get such an opportunity to study in such good schools. So, we expect that our teachers, our learned teachers, they will work harder. Of course, it is very difficult to teach and control these small kids. That is why we all appreciate all your efforts. And today, I have been invited to be the guest of honor of this program. And I couldn't help, in spite of so much work in the office, I was really interested when I was invited. So I just came and attended to see how this school is working, how our children are performing. And I had seen the reality, and I'm really very happy and grateful to all our teachers, our principal, and love to all our small kids. So time is very valuable. I will not say much. Thank you all very much for giving me this chance. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating and inspiring words.
दोस्तों, आप सबको मकर संक्रांति, माघ बिहू और पोंगल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दोस्तों, हम सभी को पता है कि ये त्योहारें नई फसलों पर आधारित हैं। नया मौसम, नए फसल, नई उमंग, नया विश्वास। चलिए मिलकर देखते हैं बिहिम के डांस। धन्यवाद बच्चों, आप सब ने बहुत ही सुंदरता के साथ फसलों का स्वागत किया है।
Cultural program. To conclude with fun and energy, let's welcome our primary girls for the hula hoop dance.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवार किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
बगिया में दो फूलों ये हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्म में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 सूबी डूबी पंपारा, सूबी डूबी परम्पम।
Subi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Subi dubi pampara, subi dubi parampam. Subi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Thank you, girls, for that lively and colorful dance. With immense honor and heartfelt respect, I invite our honorable chief guest to grace the stage and bless us with her insightful words.
सबसे पहले हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। आज में हमारे तीरथ वैली का एनुअल फंक्शन में हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैडम ने इनवाइट करते, सबसे पहले मैं उसको धन्यवाद देती हूँ। सो टुडे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर हमारे डीडीएससी मैडम, प्रिंसिपल मैडम, टीचर्स, all the parents, students, media person, आज हम हुई देख के हम बहुत ही खुश है। इतना छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग इतना परफॉर्म कर सकता है, तो उससे खुशी क्या हो सकता है हम लोग पेरेंट्स के लिए ना। हम तो बहुत ही खुश है बच्चा लोग को देख के। तो आज मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैडम को, मैडम और भी आप आगे बढ़िए। ये हो सकने से आप जो मिडिल स्कूल तक लाए बहुत बढ़िया होगा, हमारे तीरथ वासियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा ही होगा। मैंने सुना है कि तीरथ वैली स्कूल से सारा मिशन आगे मिशन में बहुत ही यहाँ से इंटरव्यू में पास होते हैं। मैं हमेशा मैडम को अप्रिशिएट करता है, इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग को वो हैंडल कर सकते हैं, तो और भी मैडम सकेगा, आगे भी चलते रहेगा, वो मेरा विश्वास है मैडम। तो मैं एक दो सब कहना चाहूँगी हमारे पेरेंट्स लोग के बारे में भी। हमारे पोपा के जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, जो जहाँ स्कूल भी हो, प्राइवेट हो, गवर्नमेंट हो, मेन जो हमारे बच्चों के लिए फाउंडेशन है। अगर आप फाउंडेशन अच्छा होगा तो आगे भी जाते रहेगा, चलते रहेगा। वही हम लोग ध्यान देना है, अपना बच्चों को ध्यान देना है। जो भी किसी किसी का हम लोग का जो मालूम, तो कोई तो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय, कोई तो हाउस वाइफ है, फिर भी
वो क्या नहीं छोड़ना है। अब टू क्लास 12 तक हम लोग ध्यान देना है, हम लोग गाइड करना है। जब कॉलेज जाएगा तो हम लोग सोचना है कि हमारे बच्चे बड़ा हो गया, उसी तरह हम लोग गाइड करेगा पेरेंट्स लोग तो हमारे बच्चे आगे बढ़ेगा। इसलिए सभी पेरेंट्स को मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, अपना बच्चे को ध्यान दे, अच्छा से सिखाए। आने वाला समय में हम लोग तो अभी हम लोग का समय में भी कुछ नहीं कर पाता है, कोई तो हाउस वाइफ है, लेकिन हमारे बच्चे का समय में तो जितना हम लोग मेहनत करता है इतना भी नहीं कर पाएगा। इसलिए हम लोग अभी से बच्चे को ध्यान देना है, वही मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है। आप भी तो एक माँ है, इसलिए आप लोग को बता रहा है। सबसे पहले माँ लोग भी ध्यान देना है, जबकि आप लोग का पिताजी लोग तो इतना नहीं सकेगा, हालो करेगा, लेकिन भी जितना दुख तकलीफ तो हम लोग माँ ही जानता है ना, बच्चे का क्या होता है, कब समय में बच्चे को क्या जरूरत है, उसको क्या सिखाना है, वो हम लोग को पता है। इसलिए हमारा तरफ से कोई भी यहाँ में पेरेंट्स आई हुई है तो जरूर ध्यान दीजिए, अपना बच्चे में ध्यान दीजिए। जो कोई लोग तो सोच के भी नहीं कर पाता है, क्योंकि कोई लोग तो हर कोई एजुकेटेड नहीं है, हर कोई ऑफिसर नहीं है, तो अच्छा स्कूल में पढ़ाने के लिए ट्राई करने से भी किसी का तो ये नहीं कर पाता है, एफर्ट नहीं हो पाता है। इसलिए हम लोग का तीरथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो ज़्यादातर तो बैकवर्ड एरिया है ही बोला जाएगा। स्पेशली मेरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी 56 जो स्पेशली हम लोग को बैकवर्ड एरिया है, लाजू बोलो, डाडोम बोलो, हम लोग का तो बहुत बैकवर्ड एरिया है। जो भी होता है पेरेंट्स लोग हमें हाई स्कूल में क्लास 6 में आता है, कोई गांव में हर जगह में नहीं होता है, कहीं में मिडिल स्कूल है, कहीं में सेकेंडरी स्कूल है, उसमें अपना पेरेंट्स लोग यहाँ में क्लास 11 में यहाँ में हाई स्कूल में ज्वाइन करता है। तो भी कोई लोग तो सब्जी बेचता है, कोई लोग तो छोटा मोटा कपड़ा दुकान करके पढ़ाता है। इसलिए यहाँ का तो बाकी लोग का तो मालूम नहीं। मेरा एरिया और लाजू एरिया में तो हम लोग तो बहुत ही बैकवर्ड एरिया है, जो हम थोड़ा पहले से हमारे DDSC मैडम भी बता चुका है हम लोग को। गवर्नमेंट कंपेयर में तो नहीं होगा, प्राइवेट स्कूल तो थोड़ा तो आगे होगा, लेकिन भी हम लोग ट्राई करेगा। हम लोग को गवर्नमेंट स्कूल भी अच्छा के लिए टीचर लोग तो बहुत अच्छा है, क्यों बोलेगा, ब्लेम करेगा टीचर लोग को। टीचर लोग बहुत क्वालिफाइड लोग है गवर्नमेंट में, फिर भी किसी का तो अपना बच्चा लोग को उससे भी अच्छा होने लोगों के प्राइवेट स्कूल में जाता है, उसमें पढ़ाता है। इसलिए हर कोई ऑफिसर नहीं बन पाएगा, फिर भी अपना पैर में खड़ा हो सकने तक अपना पेरेंट्स अपना बच्चा को ध्यान देगा तो जरूर आगे बढ़ेगा। तो इसलिए मैं आप लोग को आज मौका मिलते ही जितना भी पेरेंट्स आया हुआ है इन लोगों को बता रहा है, जो भी हो या ना हो वो तो ऊपर वाला का हाथ में भी, जो भी हम लोग माँ है तब तो अपना बच्चा के लिए तो जरूर तकलीफ करना है, ध्यान देना है, वही मेरा तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट है। तो लास्टली मेरा प्रिंसिपल मैडम को भी हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, टीचर्स लोग को भी। इतना छोटा बच्चा को हैंडल कर सकते हैं तो और क्या हो सकते हैं, आप लोग भी और भी आगे बढ़ेगा। और मेरा तरफ से तो हम मैडम को बोल रहे हैं जितना मदद कर सकते हो तो जरूर करेगा। आप लोग भी अच्छा से तीरथ के लिए मेहनत कीजिए, अच्छा काम कीजिए, वही मेरा विश्वास है आगे बढ़ेगा। और भी उनके मेरा विश्वास है और ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते हुए इतना में एंड करता है। और मेरा तरफ से छोटा सा टोकन ऑफ लव रिसीव कीजिए मैडम।
Thank you, ma'am, for taking time to share your valuable insights and for honoring us with your presence. To conclude our program, I would like to invite Ms. Javelova to present the word of thanks. everyone present here. I, on behalf of Tira Valley School, stand here today to express a heartfelt thank you to everyone present here. First of all, a heartfelt thank you to our chief guest, Madam Chakad Apoji, Honorable MLA, Konsa West, Advisor to Honorable Minister, Transport and DOTCL for gracing our today's event, annual day function, and for your kind and inspiring words. Thank you, Madam. Your guidance motivates both students and teachers to aim higher. We are also grateful to our guest of honor, Madam K.C. Lowangchaji, DDSC Tira District, for your valuable time and your word of appreciation. Thank you, Madam. I am also grateful to our Principal, Madam, for her constant support and encouragement, which has been vital in organizing this event smoothly. I am also deeply thankful to our parents, guardians, for your endless support and taking time out of your busy schedules and makes today's events a memorable one. Last but not the least, I also thank our teachers, students and other helping staff who work hard to make today's event successful. Thank you all.
The second prize goes to Master Mewang Bangyang, Tusi Porna. Junior boys, first prize goes to Master Gayam Game. The second prize goes to Master Moivang Tesia. The third prize goes to Master Amin Gameng. Balance race, junior girls, first prize goes to Miss Jenny Tangjam. The second prize goes to Miss Nyasan Wongsu. The second prize goes to Miss Nyasan Wongsu. The third prize goes to Miss Selmi Wongko. Now 100-meter race, senior boys. First prize goes to Master Khunhang Abo. The second prize goes to Master Wangtit Lowam. The third prize goes to Master Napong Renyu. The second prize goes to Miss Chavi Hakun. The third prize goes to Miss Selmi Wangko. Master Yumi Juja. The third prize goes to Master Vivek Sonar. Blind Hit Junior Girls, first prize goes to Miss Peapod Bangsu. The second prize goes to Miss Yamna Homtok. Goes to Miss Mercy Bangno. Now Blind Hit Senior Boys, first prize goes to Master Bangtin Lobam. The second prize goes to Master Khunhang Abo. The third prize goes to Master Sumang Sosia. Blind Hit Senior Girls, first prize goes to Miss Pincha Mate. The second prize goes to Miss Nyamjuan Hakun. The third prize goes to Miss Ronsel Liana Hondik. Now it's time to announce the winners from the pre-primary section. May I respectfully request our respected principal ma'am to grace the stage to present the trophies. Arlene Hondik. The second prize goes to Master Nalin Hondik. The third prize goes to Master Somlang Abo. Now balloon popping nursery girls, first prize goes to Miss Gizum Ite. The second prize goes to Miss Joya Mate. The third prize goes to Miss Chumcha Aran. Sweet Dress Nursery Boys, first prize goes to Master Somlang Abo. The second prize goes to Master Binwang Wangsa. The third prize goes to Master Kingsam Wangsu. Sweet Dress Nursery Girls, first prize goes to Miss Chajat Kamhua. The second prize goes to Miss Nimsan Misian. The third prize goes to Miss Chumcha Aran. Junior Boys, Sweet Dress, first prize goes to Master Ivan Bo. The second prize goes to The third prize goes to Master Gautam Karmakar. Sweet Dress Junior KG Girls, first prize goes to Miss Litsan Abo. The second prize goes to Miss Chalong Bangyam. The third prize goes to Miss Ridhi Rani. Now balance race, junior KG boys. First prize goes to Master Hangsan Misya. The second prize goes to Master Benson Kupo. Gunjan Ramon.
Third prize.
Balance race, junior KG girls. First prize goes to Miss Chalom Bangyam. The third prize goes to Miss Secha Bangyam. Sweet race, senior KG boys. First prize goes to Master Lala Ayande. The second prize goes to Master Teham Kongkang.
देखो देखो यार देखो
The third prize goes to Master Limbang Lowang.
देखो देखो देखो
Sweet race, senior KG girls. First prize goes to Miss Nocha Wangno. The second prize goes to Miss Nime Wangsa. The third prize goes to Miss Renyan Wanghop. Balance race, senior KG boys. First prize goes to Master Teham Kongkang. The second prize goes to Master Chare Wanghop. The third prize goes to Master Samkap Kitnya.
देखो यार देखो
The second prize goes to Miss Changgong Kitnya. The third prize goes to Miss Renyan Wanghop. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all our students.
देखो यार रेस्पॉन्ड